Every day, you're surrounded by networks, from 4G to Wi-Fi, Ethernet to Bluetooth. These networks give us access to the internet and allow you to communicate with people all over the world. This course will introduce you to the different types of computer network and their architecture. You'll explore how data is transmitted through Ethernet and Wi-Fi connections, and you'll gain an understanding of how encryption helps us send data securely. This free course contains peer-led discussions, trainer interaction, and feedback on your knowledge and progress. You can learn with us wherever and whenever you want. You'll learn about the fundamentals of networking from the GCSE computing syllabus. So whether you're a teacher with students of your own, or simply curious about how computers communicate with one another, this course will help you gain an understanding of computer networking. Sign up now at rpf.io/networking.